I think we're entering a new small town. I don't know, some of these redwood trees look like they're planted for like tree-lined streets and they look cute. I don't know if they're redwood tree, because that one kind of looks like a Christmas tree, a big one. And they have the water tower. I'm assuming a water tower, but probably not. Oh, that's a cute log cabin. Yeah, that's cute. Looks like a town that tourists might pass through on the way to Jasper. But it didn't look like really too much is there. I'm trying to figure out what CN is, because it's Canada something, but what's Velmont? Maybe Velmont's the name of the town. I don't know. I'm assuming CN is Canada. If you like, watch and subscribe. Bye.